All right, so at this point, we'll kind of walk through, I'll talk you through a demo. So this is the dashboard. We wanted to keep it simple with, the main specs that our research managers like to see as they log in to review jobs who've live, paused, test, and kick off projects on the main dashboard page with easy access to stop or pause and check the specs. On the proposal draft tab, this is where a project is born. So you can initiate a feasibility check here. Enter in the specs for what you're looking for. Right now, we are mostly US focused. Your category, wherever it fits, or just a general category is fine. Quota, how many total do you need? The incidence rate, and length of interview that you're expecting. The attributes are the targeting functions. So enter your needs. In this case, we'll enter in age, general age range, add that, and state as well. We titled this Ohio, so we'll target to Ohio here. And save your proposal. At this point, you can request a quote and we'll run feasibility and calculate against the API network. It only takes a minute, and then in this case, all 300 are feasible, and it lists the CPI as well. At this point, you could leave if you're not ready to launch, or if you are, convert to a project. At that point, the project shows up under the kickoff projects grid on the main page. Navigate there and you see your specs copied over for you here. And at this point, if you have a PO number, a job number, you need to drop in specific information as well as the survey links. This is compatible with really any programming platform, and you can use any ID variable, ID, PID, whatever works for you. You just tell the system to create and append a unique ID for each respondent with the redirect ID format. If you are using unique links, you can upload those at the client code button. If you have a separate test and live link, we can support that. If not, paste both in, that's fine too. Under security settings, we understand sometimes we can't allow mobile. You can make that change there, or allow all groups. And our fingerprinting is baked in. So internal digital fingerprinting, as well as bot detection, and there's a CAPTCHA feature as well. Validation, we generally block on both device and IP, but we always leave that as an option. At this point, you can go into test mode, and here, if you need to enter a sub-quota, you can do that as well. So in this case, we're targeting Ohio, but maybe we want to make sure that we get 150 respondents from Cincinnati. Select DMA. Save that in here. You can also obviously close or delete if you don't need a quota, or if you're ready to pause something. That'll allow you with that click button there. Under statistics, once you're live, this is where you can really track what's happening in field. So your percentage on device, as well as the number of respondents that, for example, are incomplete or a screen out. And then you would click start and launch. And we'll go back here just to show a project with some data in it to give you an idea of the monitoring. It's very simple, but again, gives you a really firm idea of what's falling out in terms of device type, incidence length, and respondent counts by status.